Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to change language in Facebook. First go to facebook.com. Now on the top right corner, you can see there is your profile icon. Click there. Now go to setting and privacy. On the last option, you can see language option. Click there. This is language setting. You can see on the Facebook language, English US is selected currently. On the right side, click edit. Now click English US again. This is all the language Facebook has. Select your language, then click Save Change. Now you can see your language has been changed. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.